So students, this is in the continuation of the last video which got disconnected in between. So we were calculating how to do these reducible representations and convert them to the irreducible ones. So by decomposing the reducible representation formula or standard reduction formula. So I was teaching you how to do it. So we are taking A1 equals to 1 by 4. 4 is the order of this, 1 by h. So the formula says you are going to take the order of the operations, the number of operations in the class. Number of operation means how much time, how many times these operations are repeating themselves. Like sometimes it is, sorry, here I have written C2B, it is C2 only. So sometimes you are having 2E, 2C2, 3 sigma xz or sigma yz, something like that. So we right now it is only 1E, one identity operation. So we are going to take 1 and then multiply it with the second term, which is the value of this representation, that is 1 here according to the character table, which we are taking directly from the character table. And the next is whatever the reducible representation we have obtained, which is 21 in this case. This value is provided to you right now, or by calculation and applying the symmetry operations you are going to obtain this value on your own, and then you are going to do this calculation. Right now I have provided the value to you. So this plus, then the same thing you are going to do for A1 is under everything like E, C2, sigma xz and sigma yz. So we are going to do it for all the 4 symmetry operations. So the second one is again C2 is 1, so 1 into 1, then we are going to multiply this 1 into 1 multiply by minus 3, okay, then plus is 1 into 1 into 5 plus 1 into 1 into 5. This is also 1, this is 1 and this is 5. So you are going to calculate the answer for this. This calculation comes out to be like 21 minus 3 plus 5 plus 5. So it comes out to be divided by 4 is 7. Similarly, we are going to do the calculation for the next term, that is A2 according to the character table. So you are going to write it AA2, and then again the same thing starts. We will write the order, and then this is 1, again 1 into 21 plus 1 dot 1 dot minus 3 plus 1 dot minus 1 dot 5 multiply 1 into minus 1 into 5, and the resultant answer is 2. The same way you can calculate for B1 and B2. The answer should come out to be 6 for both of them. So the final, what we are going to get the reducible representation for this first example is 7A1, that is A1 is 7 times, plus 2A2 plus 6B1 plus 6B2. I hope all of you are getting this. If you are not getting this, ask the doubts during the class to me. Similarly, we can do the calculation for the second one, and for the second one the answer I am getting is, I am not solving it, just check your answer. You should get the answer of 5A1 plus 2A2 plus 4B1 plus 4B2. This is the answer, and the question is this one. I have given you these representations, 15, minus 1, 3 and 3. For this, do all these calculations and you are going to get this. You are supposed to get this, and then it is your correct answer. If still there is a doubt, just ask me. Okay? That's all for this video. Then we will continue the further calculations in the next video. Thank you.